Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to do my first this is my first review. I'm going to review this CoverGirl True Blend liquid makeup foundation, and I'm on the shade M4. So for this one, it costs US kasi hindi ko alam magkano siya dito. But I'm going to research that. I'm going to put dito kung magkano yung nakita ko sa mall at saka sa online. But this one cost $9.24 sa kanilang website, sa covergirl.com. And this has 21 shades. And according, or yung claim nila dito, True Blend Liquid Makeup is available in 21 shades and features a new shade matching system. To find your perfect blend, first determine your shade family if you're on the light, medium, or dark. Second, choose your number, coordinate complementary True Blend product based on your number for a seamless, flawless, nude look that blends in and virtually disappear. So for this one, just to make it simple, bikit nyo lang sa skin nyo, or dito, just for you to know kung ano yung shade nyo. But this one, hindi ako talaga ang pumili nito, but ang galing. M4, it suits perfectly on my skin. So for this one, I'm going to show you the demonstration, how I did it. But yeah, I used two ways on putting the foundation. So, brush yung dito sa right side ko, and then sa left side, I used my beauty sponge. And then, the primer that I used here is the Quick FX No Shine Mattifier. Doon lang sa T-zone ko. And then, hindi na ako nag-set. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako nag-set ng foundation. Since my, the type of skin that I have is combination skin. So, yung sa T-zone lang siya talaga nag-oily. But hindi naman talaga super oily. And then, yun lang. So, let's get started! So, magpa-prime ako ng aking face, yung sa T-zone lang, using the Quick FX No Shine Mattifier. And then, this one, sa isang side, I'm going to use the brush, and then yung isa sa beauty sponge. So, brush muna tayo dito sa right side. Thick consistency yung yung foundation. Smell, wala siyang strong smell katulad ng ibang foundation. So this is the first layer using the brush. So pinantay naman niya yung color. Lalagay lang ako ng onti sa iyo. By the way guys, yung aking skin is normal or combination, normal to dry. Tama ba? Basta, ano siya, no, combination. Sorry ha. Combination siya. Sa T-zone, normal na medyo oily siya, pero hindi naman talaga ganun over na oily. Then, yung dito, hindi naman siya ganun ka-dry din. So, normal lang talaga. So, this is a review for normal skin. So, ito yung sa brush. Maya na ako second coat. First coat lang. Pinantay ko lang. So, ito naman sa beauty blender. Sobrang thick na consistency niya. So, gagananin ko pa rin. Kasi pag diniretso sa feeling ko parang ma-absorb lang. Ito pala is wet beauty sponge. So, pwede mo siyang ipat, pwede mo rin siyang i-roll. That's the first coat. So that's the first coat. Tama ba? First coat or first layer of the foundation, guys. I don't think that I need a second layer since I really have a normal and good skin. So, yan ang finish niya. Antayin ko lang siya mag-set bago ko siya lagyan ng powder because kailangan, parang ano lang rin siya, moisturizer. Kailangan ihayaan mo muna siya ng ilang minuto just for it to set. And honestly guys, ako, since yun nga, it's combination skin yung sa akin and not really dry, hindi ako lagi nagsiset. Sensya na sa, tawag dito, sa tricycle. So, hindi ako lagi talaga nagsiset ng aking foundation. So, for this, I'm going to finish first my makeup and then I'll get back. Tapos na ako mag-makeup. So, simple lang yung makeup ko ngayon kasi I'm going to a PTA meeting sa school ng anak ko. Ayoko naman masabihan nila over yung first lock ko, no? Then, ano ba? So, for this, napansin ko yung coverage niya is light to medium. But I think it's buildable. Pero, yun nga, hindi ko kasi trinay since I'm on the normal skin. And yung skin type ko is combination pala. I'm not sure kung nasabi ko kanina. Combination siya. So, on my T-zone area, dun lang siya nag-oil. But really not that oily. Then, dry na sa iba. So, hindi ako gumamit ng setting powder. Kasi nag-set na siya about 3 minutes lang. 3 to 5 minutes. Nag-set na siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-dewy. So, pag hindi siya dry, hindi siya dewy, hindi siya dry, nandun lang siya sa normal skin finish. But really not dewy. Katulad nung L'Oreal Loose and Magic. Kasi talagang dewy yun. Ito hindi. Thick consistency. And the packaging itself is in bottle. So, yan. And the good thing here is that may lock yung kanyang pump. So, kahit i-travel mo siya ng bote, hindi siya basta-basta maano. And yun nga, meron siya 21 shades with different, what's this? Different tone on it. Like pink, olive, and yellow. Sorry, first time ko kasi mag-review. I really want to do a review thingy. So, kung may nakalimutan ako, feel free to put comments on the comments bar down below. So, mag-aano rin ako ng picture. Flash photography test. Kung magpa-flash, tama ba? Meron siyang mag-bounce back siya. So, let's see. Ayan. Actually, wala naman siyang masyadong, hindi siya nag-white cast. And okay siya. Pantay yung aking leeg sa mukha. So, yun. Right now, it's already 3:13 sa aking phone. So, I'll get back to you guys for update regarding this foundation. See ya! Hi guys! So, yun. Nakabalik na ako from the PTA meeting and the mall. Nag-mall kami kasi I need to check some products in preparation for something. So, ayun, as you can see, there are some shyness on my cheek area, on my forehead, and let's see. Sa nose ko kasi mahilig rin ako magkamot. So, medyo natanggal siya. But, kumuha ko ng film, ay ng blotting paper. So, yan. Yun lang naman. Ako, wala akong masyadong, what's this, problem if there's oiliness sa aking T-zone area because mas bet ko yung medyo may shine kaysa sa sobrang dry. So, ito yung, pa-blot ko lang siya Ito lang yung time na nag-blot ako. Walang powder, walang retouch and all. So, not sure if you're going to consider that oil. Tingin nyo guys. So, yan lang yon yung nakuha ko sa face ko. And then, all good. So, yun. Okay lang yan. So, for me ewan ko lang sa inyo, pangit ba pag sorry. Pangit ba pag ganun-ganun na shyness? Kaya lang sa akin kasi mas bet ko parang sobrang ano ba yan? Inuubo ko. Sobrang natural. So, ayun. Feeling ko naman, nag-hold siya na maganda. Kasi kahit may oilness na, may pawis na, and all that, parang nandun pa rin siya sa face ko. And the shade is really perfect sa aking skin tone. And what else? Yun, hindi siya humupa. And napansin ko dun sa labas, kasi sa landmark kami nag-ikot. Ang ganda nung nung dating niya. Sorry kasi uwian time na, so marami talagang vehicles sa labas ng aming house. So yun, sobrang ganda nung skin finish niya sa akin na-feel ko. Sobrang ganda ng skin finish nung foundation sa akin. Hindi siya sobrang obvious. So, technically, it's on light to medium coverage. But, I believe it's buildable. Kasi, yun nga, thick consistency siya. So, pag nag-set na, pwede mo siya ulit patungan. So, magiging mas full coverage na siya. So, yun. Sana okay naman tong pag-review ko. If may nakalimutan ako, let me know. And by the way, yun, baka makalimutan ko kasi mag-flash photography ako for the last time. I'll end the day na kasi gusto ko na magpahinga. Kasi galing akong outside. So, let's see. So, on this end, yun, may shyness na sa aking T-zone area, but I really don't care about that. It looks healthy on my end. But let me know kung pangit tingnan. Pasensya na guys kung medyo hindi pa siya ganun ka-ganda yung review ko or my thoughts regarding True Blend Cover Girl. I'm just trying kasi I really want to share with you my thoughts and all that. So, let me know kung ano sa tingin nyo. That's all guys. See you on my next video. And I hope you do like it. And if you do, please don't forget to click the like button. And comment if you do have any comments, suggestion. Feel free to put it on the comments bar down below. So, again, thank you so much for dropping by on my channel. Have a great day. Stay positive and sweet. Bye!